What's good, YouTube? So today we gonna be unboxing the Zulisy Optics Oak Plus. Y'all go tap in with Zulisy, man. Good service, good optics, great customer service. We're gonna be throwing this on the PSA Dagger, the full size S. Just showing y'all what it come with, tools. I think that's just batteries and some other screws and stuff. Probably just stuff that go to it or help it adjust. Damn, I can't even get this off. Okay, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, Zulisy Optics. Y'all go tap in. Range review coming soon. Look pretty nice, man.